Hello, second grade, and welcome to math. I wanted to go through and just kind of explain what you're doing today, and then I will post a video on Seesaw for each assignment on what you should be doing. Okay, so I just want to go through right now your to-do list for today and then kind of show you the Seesaw assignments. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is turn in any missing math assignments that are posted. I've archived some of our assignments, so these are the main ones that we still need to get done. So if you see your name on this list, on either three of these, you need to finish and turn those in, okay? So your biggest priority, if you are on this list, is finishing these. If your name is not on this list, I want you to go straight to number 2, which is this video. So if you're hearing me right now, good job. Number 3, there are 3 assignments on Seesaw. This is just a reminder, if you're having trouble on something, it's okay to move on, or it's okay to submit it with a question mark, and I will help explain it to you in the voice comments, okay? So we have math generally from 9:15 to 10:50, but today we are going to do history or social studies, so you start social studies at 10:30, okay? So I'm mentioning this because you have 3 assignments on Seesaw. I don't want you to stress about getting them done, okay? I just want you to work really hard from 9:15 to 10:10, okay? So 9:15 to 10:10. Because at 10:10, even if you're not done with your Seesaw activities, I want you to log on to Dreambox to make sure we're getting those 20 minutes in, okay? So 9:15 to 10:10, work hard, try to get your Seesaw assignments done. If you don't, it's okay. I will make time later in the week for you to get them done, okay? So don't stress yourselves out too much, just do your best and work hard. Okay, so this is under math on Wednesday. When you do social studies, it will be right here on social studies, okay? So I'm going to take us to Seesaw, and hopefully it'll load. So let's see. So like I said, you have 3 assignments. I will make a video for each and post it with the assignment. So let's see, it should be loading. Okay, so here's our first one, thousands place value chart. So you have 3 pages on this one. Remember, we have a lot of friends who only do the first page and ignore the next pages. You need to be doing all of the pages, okay? So I will post a video in the instructions for you to watch about what you need to do, okay? So make sure you watch it. And then our next assignment, and that was, there we go. Our next assignment has not been released yet, so it's in my scheduled. We have a number line where we count forwards and backwards. I think it'll be really good for us to practice counting forwards and backwards. So you have this number. Like I said, I'll make a video for it. And then we also have count by 10, from 10 to 800. So we're skip counting by 10s, starting at 10, going all the way up to 800, okay? So we have these 3 assignments, and you have your Dreambox, okay? So I will go and make these videos for our assignments. Remember, do your best on them, okay?